My name is Rexanne. A few years ago, I felt a calling to write a book. Having no experience as a writer, I couldn't believe God would ask me to take on such an overwhelming feat. As you may have experienced personally, it is often difficult to say yes to God. Like many people, I put His request aside and decided to wait. Every now and then, I would feel that tug as God was reinforcing His original request. I still had no idea what I could possibly write about that would be of interest to anyone, but I was willing to keep an open mind. A couple of months ago, out of nowhere, God spoke to me again, but this time He gave me a topic: nurturing a grateful heart. Change starts with you. If you are unhappy with your current outlook on life, or maybe you just need a little encouragement, I urge you to read my book. You can have a happier life. You can be more productive at work. You can have more meaningful relationships. The state of your heart has a direct impact on all areas of your life: your personality, your health, your outlook on life, your emotional state. Everything about us is affected by our gratefulness or ungratefulness. Having a grateful heart brings peace and understanding. It promotes compassion, empathy, and love for mankind. I want to thank you from the bottom of my heart for joining me on this journey towards a more grateful heart. I have grown in gratefulness and in my spiritual life. It is my sincere hope and prayer that you do as well. You can order my book by clicking on the link above that says Order Now. Or if you would like to preview my book before you order, simply enter your name and email address on this page.